part 2 of it. This will be a couple seconds. Okay, guys? Okay, 2 more laps to go. Crash. Around the tail. Okay. Okay, this will be. Okay, bring it, boys. Let's go racing, boys. On the final lap. If I have your watch time, I would stream, guys. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. I'm so. Good thing I'm still in first place. Break and subscribe and turn on the bell when I upload a new video. Bye.